everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Snapchat on your iPhone. If you've recently logged out of your Snapchat application but you don't know how to log back into it, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into your Snapchat, first, make sure you've downloaded and signed up for Snapchat application. Once you have it, tap it open from the app drawer. The first interface of Snapchat will look like this on your iPhone. If you've not created an account yet and you'd like to start, tap on the sign up button in blue at the bottom of the screen and follow the instructions. If you've already signed up for an account and you'd only want to log into it, tap on the login button in red. Now, you'll need to type in your username or your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account, followed by your password. In the username or email text box, type in your username or your email address. Soon after you do that, on the next field, type in your password for your Snapchat account correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Your Password link right beneath the password box and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After you are done entering your username or your email and your password, tap on the login button in blue at the bottom of the screen. Wait for a few seconds and there you will be logged in back to your Snapchat account, quick and easy. Soon after you log in, you'll end up in the camera screen of Snapchat. If you wish to go to your profile, you'll need to tap on the emoji icon at the upper left-hand corner, and you'll end up in your profile for your Snapchat. That is how you can easily log into your Snapchat on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.